Okay, so this place is situated in the JW Marriott Juhu in Mumbai. So if you go into the lobby and take a right, it's just on your right hand side there. Short little video here, guys, just to sort of say it's a nice little place. You can get some nice croissants, cakes. Cakes seem to be a big thing there. They do decent coffee, which is quite hard to find. Well, I found it quite hard to find. It's actually quite a good coffee. Some lovely toasted sandwiches, bagels and things like that. I think on Google Maps, this says it's outside the hotel, but it's not. It's actually in the lobby. So yeah, just a nice little place where you can go and have a coffee. It's not the cheapest place in the world. It's fairly highbrow, but yeah, you can get some fantastic cakes, teas, coffees, sandwiches, all sorts really. There's also a bookshop there and a nice place to sit down and eat. So that's it. If you're in Mumbai, check this place out.